Factoring a trinomial means writing it as two multiplied binomials, ax squared plus bx plus c. Let's factor this trinomial, x squared plus 5x plus 6. Since a equals 1, we need two numbers that multiply to c and add to b. Multiply to 6, add to 5. Those numbers are 2 and 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Write the trinomial as two binomials using those numbers. X squared plus 5x plus 6 equals x plus 2 times x plus 3. Let's check by multiplying it back out. X plus 2 times x plus 3 equals x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 6 equals x squared plus 5x plus 6. It matches. The factoring is correct.